Moi kaikki! Hopefully today my stuffed animal friends aren't too distracting for you guys to listen to the content of this video, but today I wanted to introduce a very topical word, and then I'm also going to read out a Finnish news article that came out about this word as well. So that word that I keep referring to is Hellepäivä. 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 Now, together, if you separate this into like its two bits, Helle means heat. Heat, as in like hotness, heat. And päivä, as you probably already know, means day. So together, the literal translation is heat day. And that's what it sort of means. It means like a really hot day. Hellepäivä, a heat day. So in Finland, people use the word hellepäivä to refer to a very, very hot day. And the official definition for a hellepäivä is a day in Finland that reaches over plus 25 degrees Celsius at some point in the day. So for example, in a 24-hour period, if there's like 1 hour that hits over plus 25, then that day will be considered a hellepäivä. So the article, this is quite short, but I just wanted to read it out to you and I'll translate it with the subtitles here. So yeah, the title, Kesäkuu oli Suomessa ennätyslämmin, translates to Kesäkuu, June, oli, was, Suomessa, in Finland, ennätyslämmin. Ennätys is like breaking, like record. It translates to record, lämmin, warm. So June was like a record warm in Finland. Oh. Okay. And then like the subtitle just says Kesäkuussa oli yhteensä 25 hellepäivää, which translates to in June there was together 25 heat days. Or like all together in June there was 25 heat days. Then here's just a picture of a beach in Tampere on June 20th. It's Pyynikin uimaranta, so Pyynikki beach in Tampere. And then the article's really short, it's just like a little info blast. I'll read it out to you. Suomen keskilämpötila oli kesäkuussa ennätyksellisen korkea, kertoo Ilmatieteen laitos. Koko maan keskilämpötila oli noin 16,5. Tämä ylittää edellisen ennätyksen vuodelta 1953 jopa 0,3 asteella. Kuukauden keskilämpötila vaihteli Kaakkois-Suomen noin 20 asteesta Käsivarren Lapin vajaaseen 10 asteeseen. Esimerkiksi Helsingin Kaisaniemessä kuukauden keskilämpötila oli 19,3 astetta, mikä on vuonna 8044 alkaneen mittaushistorian korkein lukema tällä paikalla. So, Suomessa oli kesäkuussa yhteensä 25 hellepäivää. So in Finland, in June, there was altogether 25 heat days or hellepäivääs. So yeah, I just thought that was very interesting. It has been very, very hot. On ollut tosi kuuma tämän koko kesäkuun ajan. So I actually didn't know that it's been pretty much the hottest June in Finnish history. Is that true to say? Well, based on this, it seems like it. And that 25 days in June, in kesäkuu, ylitti hellerajan, so was over 25 degrees at some point during the day, which I believe because it's been super hot, but wow. Also, I've been suffering from sunburn. I keep putting it on, every day before I go out. But I guess maybe my issue is like I forget to reapply, but then like, I don't know, you can see my cheeks are a little bit red. Like I burn really easily and I don't tan at all. But yeah, like right here it's kind of red. And then like my collarbones I think burned a little bit. Super annoying. But yeah, I think I need to like reapply the sunscreen more often, but I've been using like this. Ooh, can you see? This is like some kind of gel comforter made from sea veg water gel. Don't know, but it's some kind of like vegan gel thing, and it has like a cooling effect. So this is what I've been using like on my collarbones. I also have aloe vera gel that I bought, so then I've like been using that to kind of like cool down my collarbones and like here and like on my cheeks, because there's been so many Hellepäivät here. I just keep burning and burning, even though I use SPF 50 on my face. But yeah, I guess like with sunscreen, maybe if you're like wearing sunglasses, it might like rub off the sunscreen on your cheeks. I don't know, if you guys have like skin that burns really easily, give me your tips please. Like I use a baseball cap and sunglasses and I try to stay in the shade, but I don't know, man, this Finnish sun, it's intense. But anyways, today's video was about the word Hellepäivä, Helle Heat, Päivä, day, Hellepäivä, heat day, a day in Finland where the temperature goes over plus 25 degrees. So yeah, that is a word that's used a lot in Finland, so hopefully next time you hear it, you'll know what it means. Tässä kaikki, ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!